Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Karibuni tena. Leo tutafanya income tax paper itosekena paper 2 maths. So this question itasaidia sana kwa wale wanafunzi watakaofanya maths paper 2 on Monday. So hii income tax sana sana pia ndani kuna reverse taxation. So just kindly tune in and don't forget to click on the icon button ya subscribe mwanzo. Nadhani usha subscribe. Tuanze vizuri. Question says the table below shows income tax rules that were used in 2023. Income shillings per month ni 1:10,164, 10%. Nadhani hii table yote itakuwa mshaiona, so haina haja nisome bit by bit. So from January to June that year, Janet's monthly taxable earnings amounted to 32,500. Question A, find the gross tax on her monthly earnings. To find the gross tax on her monthly earnings, which is very easy. So kupata gross tax, kupata vipi gross tax? Ni uchukue hizi bit by bit, multiply na rate yake. So uko na first slab, kuna second, third, fourth and fifth, lakini hii amount yako yafika paka hapa kwenye fourth slab. Sawa. So haipiti hapa kwa sababu yenyewe 32,400 and the range is here. Sawa. So first, second, third and fourth, you need to find the gross tax. Okay, so the first question doesn't entail on reverse taxation, but the other question will entail. So the first slab, amount for the first slab tayari ushajua ni 1:10,164, which is just 10,164 multiplied by 10%, okay, or 10 over 100. So if you take 10,164 multiplied by 10 over 100 or 10%, the answer gives you 1,016.4. Okay, you go to the second slab. Kupata hiyo second slab ni rahisi. Okay, utachukua ile second minus ile, yani zile za mwanzo, utachukua 19,740 minus 10,164. Mpaka hapa nadhani tumeelewana. In which lazima itakupa an amount, and that amount ukiweka kwenye calculator yako, so just take your calculator, 19,740 minus 10,164, which gives you an amount of 9,576 multiplied by 15%. It gives you the tax for the second slab. Sorry for the cough. So 9,576 times 15%. So ile answer times the 15%, which is 15 over 100, 0.15. Okay, and gives you the answer of 1,463.4. Kama tumeelewana, twende kwa third slab. Third slab pia utafanya hivyo hivyo, utachukua hii minus hii ya tatu minus ya pili za mwisho. So ukichukua 29,316 minus 19,740, okay, bado itakupa ile ile 9,576 multiplied by the percentage, which is 20%, ama 20 over 100. So answer itakupa times 0.2, 20% ni hapo. So it gives you 1,950.2. Okay, tushamaliza. Sasa ukiingia fourth slab, amount haijafika paka 38,892, but instead ni 32,500. For you to get the fourth slab, okay, fourth slab amount yake utachukua hiyo 32,500 minus ile amount umepita, which is 29,316. So just take that 2,500. So the taxable income for the fourth slab is equivalent to 3,184. Okay, so inaenda hapa, ingiza hiyo fourth slab. so is equivalent to 3,184, which is taxed at the rate of 25%. Okay, so it's equal to, so here answer times 0.25 ama 25 over 100, whichever. Answer yako itakupa 796.0. So zote wafauzi add, so just add them all. So 1016.4 plus 1463.4 plus 1915.2 plus 796, okay, yafaa ikupe 5188, 5188, simple as that. So tayari ushajua 5188. If I'm not wrong, kuna pale labda nimekosea, but yeah, hapa let me confirm. If you take 9576 times 0.15, okay, it should give you 1436, not 463. Okay, sorry for that. So 1436.4. So the answer hapa, just add them again all up. So 1016.4 plus 1436.4 plus 1915.2 plus 796, kwa 5164. Ibu rahisi. So 5164 is your gross tax. Okay, Kenya shillings. Okay, hii ndo gross tax here. So this is your gross tax. So if you subtract with other reliefs, ndo itakuwa net tax, but the gross tax don't subtract with any other thing. So question B, Janet was entitled to the following tax relief. Kumbuka hapa tayari 3 marks tushapata. Janet was entitled to the following tax reliefs: monthly personal relief of 1,162, monthly insurance relief at the rate of 15% of the premium paid, subject to a maximum relief amount of 5,000 shillings. Remember, should be subjected to this amount. How much tax did she pay in a month? If she paid a monthly premium of 2,900, so hapa tayari iko ya fall under hii, so you can apply the rate of 15% kwa hapa. Ingekuwa above ingekuwa shida sasa. So your monthly reliefs, kuna hii so let's calculate for all reliefs first. So all reliefs, kuna hii ya monthly personal relief, I'll add it to your 15% of 2,900. So all the reliefs, if you just take them, 1,162 plus 15% of 2,900, it gives you a total amount of 1,597 shillings. So for you to get your net tax, so you take your gross tax minus all the reliefs, in which reliefs zako zote tayari ushajua. So gross tax yako hapa tulisema 5,164 minus hizo reliefs zako 1,597. So 5,164 minus ile answer uliopata itakupa 3,567 shillings. Sawa paka. So 3,567 shillings. So nadhani hata 2 marks tayari pia tumpata. So you just left with the other 5 marks, and the other 5 marks ndo hiyo question C, in which ndani una reverse taxation. Sawa paka hapo. I think yeah, kuna reverse taxation somehow. So umeambiwa in June, yeah, kunayo tayari. In June 2023, she received additional earnings that were taxed at 25% in each shilling. If she paid 31.55% more tax that month, find the percentage increase in her earnings. Sawa paka hapo. So what you do, mwanzo watafuta ile tax yako mpya, in which your new tax itakuwa ile tax tuliyopata ni 3,567 times by the 100 plus 31.55, okay, which gives you 131.55%, in which percentage gani itakuwa kama hivi tu, so itakuwa 2 divided by 100, so itakuwa 1.3155. So if you want you can write it like this, whichever zote ni zitakubalika. Okay, if you just want it you can write like this also, ni sawa. So hiyo answer times 1.3155 itanipa 4692.40. sawa. So 4692.40 shillings. So this one is my net tax after increase. Sawa, so ime increase yani na 31.55%. Sasa hii ni gross, hii ni net tax, natafuta gross tax ndo sasa niweze kuchora hizo slabs. Sasa gross tax yako obviously your gross tax is given by your net tax, okay, plus reliefs. So your net tax ni 4692.40 plus all the reliefs, which is 1597. Okay, so if you just take this plus 1597 gives you a total of 6,000. Okay, it gives you a total of 6,289 point still 40. Okay, itakuwa 0.40. So this is your gross tax. I think mpaka hapa tumeelewa. Sasa kupata hiyo gross tax, usually ukiona hii tax yenyewe ni 6,289.40. So obviously ni hata haijashinda, yani si sana, haiko juu sana hivyo, kwa sababu your last net tax ilikuwa ni our last gross tax ilikuwa 5,164 na hii ni 6,289.4. So your margin iko kidogo, so yamaanisha bado your income itafall bado kwa hapa fourth slab. Okay, itafall hapo kwa fourth slab. So what you do, utachukua tax zote, obviously hii tax wajua, hii ushatafuta, hii ushajua, lakini hapa ndo haujui. And your fourth slab umeambiwa is you'll be charged 25%. Okay, umeambiwa you'll be charged 25%. Okay, so for you to get your all gross tax 6,289.4 is equivalent to ile tax slab ya kwanza 1,016.4, okay, plus the second tax slab, the second tax ambayo iko kwenye second slab 1,436.4 plus 1,915.2 1,915.2 plus, okay, 0.25 ambao ni 25% multiply by, remember ile slab hii hujui tax yako yote, so you don't know, yani taxable income yako yote hujui, so achukua ile taxable income minus 29,316 ndo itakupa taxable income in your fourth slab. Yani your taxable income ni x, okay, na minus na ile ambayo iko juu which is 29,316. I hope mmeelewa, yani kwa sababu itakupa yani taxable income in the fourth slab. So remember in your fourth slab hujui yani taxable income yote, ndio maana nikaweka x, na kupata ile kwenye fourth slab ta subtract na 29,316. Okay, and don't forget it's taxed at 25%, which is 0.25. Okay, ukiadd hizi zote, take 1,016.4 plus 1,436.4 plus 1,915.2 itanipa 4,368. Okay, na kumbuka hapa ni 6,289.4 plus obviously 0.25 multiplied by x minus 29,316. So hii ikienda huko itakuwa wa subtract, so just subtract it. So itakuwa 6289.4 minus 4368, which is just equivalent to 1921.4 equal to bado 0.25 into bracket x minus 29,360. So divide by 0.25, divide by 0.25. Okay, so itakupa, kwa sababu watakutoa hiyo 0.25, so just take this divide by 0.25, which gives you around 7,685.6 equal to x minus 29,360. Na kupata x itabidi hii negative upeleke the other side, itakuwa addition, so this plus this, so the answer that you got plus 29,360, and the answer gives you 37,001.6. That's not your final answer. 37,001.60 shillings. Swali hujaulizwa kutafuta taxable income. The question says find the percentage increase in her earnings, which is also very easy. So let's just wacha tufute hapa kidogo tu, because you won't use much space. Okay, nadhani mpaka hapo tumeelewana. So this is your new tax. Your new tax ni 37,001. So kupata percentage increase, okay, percentage increase yako, you'll take your new tax minus your original, divide by original, multiply by 100. Okay, so your new tax is given by 37,001.060 minus your original, and your original is 32,500. So minus 32,500, divide by your original 32,500, multiply by 100. Okay, wacha tuongeze tena, tufute hii tupate nafasi ya kutosha. So equal to hii answer ukisubtract 2, so nikichukua hiyo minus 32,500 itanipa 4,501.6. Okay, 4,501.6 divide by 32,500, multiply by 100. So just take your answer, divide by 32,500 times 100%. So there's an increase of 85. Sorry. So an increase of 13.85%. Mpaka hapo tumeelewana. So hii ndo answer. Yeah. So till there, tukutane tena kwa next video. So usikose tafadhali. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well.